The drone industry is changing rapidly. Across the United Kingdom, drones are transforming surveying, construction, agriculture, infrastructure inspection, environmental monitoring, emergency response, and media production. But one challenge remains: finding the right people, the right opportunities, and the right professional network. Over the past month, something remarkable has happened. Drone Market Access Africa quietly launched with a simple vision: connect qualified drone professionals through a structured community designed for collaboration and future commercial opportunities. Today, more than 101 founding members from 15 African countries have already joined. Hundreds of drone professionals have connected with the platform, proving there is real demand for a professional network built specifically for the drone industry. Now that journey continues. Drone Market Access UK is now online. This is not a full public launch. It is an opportunity for a select group of UK drone pilots, operators, instructors, and drone businesses to become part of the platform from the very beginning. As a founding member, you'll help shape the future of the community while building your professional visibility within a growing international network. Our vision is simple: connect qualified drone professionals, create meaningful business opportunities, support collaboration, help build one of the world's largest professional drone communities. If that vision resonates with you, we invite you to explore the platform. Discover what's coming, share your feedback, and if you like the idea, apply to become one of the first founding members in the United Kingdom. The journey has already begun. Now it's the UK's turn. Visit dronemarketaccess.co.uk, become a founding member, help shape the future of the UK's professional drone community.